consonant digraphs. Hey kids, let's learn consonant digraphs. As now, you all know about digraphs, that they are combo of two letters that have a single sound. In consonant digraphs, two consonants are united together to form a single sound. Do you know the sound that C, T or W make? You also know the sound that H makes. Then why do TH, WH or CH make the sound that doesn't match with either letter's sound? Isn't it amazing? There is a story behind it. One day, H started crying. H was very sad. King Popcorn asked him,
What happened to you? Why are you crying?
He said, I want to have special powers so that everyone understands my importance. King Popcorn talked to the King Alphabet and requested him to give special powers to H. King Alphabet agreed, and since then, when H is paired with some consonant, something different happens. The duo of consonants takes on new sounds that don't sound like the letters normally do. Like, if you see T and H together forms th sound. Same, C and H together forms ch sound. W and H is w. So at the end, H becomes happy and stands for happiness always. Now let's see some more consonant digraphs. Ch as in chick, w as in wheel, k as in ink, k as in clock, ng as in king. Now, TH has two different sounds. Th as in thin and the as in this. Ch words. C and H together make sound ch, ch, ch. Ch as in chick, ch as in church, ch as in chair, ch as in chain, ch as in chips. Th words. Here is a star that has blue and red triangles with written words that starts with TH. Let's see the words in the blue triangles. Th as in thin, th as in think, th as in thorn. Now let's see the words in red triangles. The as in this, the as in those, the as in that.
The best word from th is thanks.
W words. Do you like to blow whistle? It starts with w, w, w. W as in whistle. Then w as in white. W as in wheat. W as in whale. Hey, this whistle looks very similar to question mark. It reminds me to make some questions. what, where, when, why, which. All have same sounds, but WHO has different sound, that is who. K words.
Hey kids, you all must have done math sum. But have you ever tried letter sum? Let's try.
Saw plus K is sock. D plus K is duck. Sa plus K is sack. Chi plus K is chick. Law plus K is lock. Blah plus K is block. Ng words. Listen to the following words. Don't they rhyme? King, ring, wing, thing, sing, string. Yes, they are rhyming words and all have ng sound at the end. Ng words. Now some more words that end with nk sound. Bank, thank, sink, blink, think, link. Sh words. You all know Baba Black Sheep. The word sheep starts with sh, sh, sh. Here, it won't have sound of s and h, but a different sound, that is sh, sh. Shh. Let's learn some more words that starts with sh. Sh as in shampoo, sh as in sheep, sh as in shirt, sh as in shoes, sh as in shapes.